Hello everybody, welcome to Road to Manhood. My name is John Moses. Today we're going to be working on one of the most annoying things on this truck so far. I got a lift with 285 70R 17 tires, which is about 33 inches. And my turning radius sucks without rubbing. So the company that actually installed the suspension did their version of a cut. I did have different tires on there. It was still rubbing a bit, but when I got the KO2s on there, it was insane. And it's already making damage to my tires, so that's a no-go. My buddy Cody here, coming to the rescue. He's gonna go ahead and get this thing taken care of, and I'm gonna take you guys along for a little bit of the ride and talk about that experience before and after. Let's go.
This is my 2020 Tacoma with a 3-inch lift. I have Dirt Logic suspension and I'm running KO2s, about 33-inch tires, and I'm rubbing like a motherfucker. Cody has generously offered to assist me with this matter. Any concerns that I had adding additional cuts to my truck flew out the door when I saw the awesome work that he did on his own Tacoma. He recommended I order this all-pro off-road body mount chop kit from Poly Performance. This is a $23 purchase that's gonna go a long way. Here's a glance at the previous cut from the shop that did not help at all. And actually, it added a new layer of difficulty for Cody. Nothing he couldn't handle, of course. But after some prep work and measurements, he goes to work, removing that thing. Here's some comparisons from the old mount and the new from both driver and passenger. After doing some final measurements, the truck battery was unplugged for some weld action, and here we go. Once grinding is done, of course Cody was gonna give me all the hard work by letting me cut this little plastic piece. Come on, man. Once the pinch weld was actually sliced up and hid back, it was now just a matter of cleaning up and spray painting the area. Rust-Oleum for the win, guys. Cody showed me a vintage torque set that was actually passed down from his dad that was as useful as it was memorable. Good stuff, my guy. This is obviously not a step-by-step installation video, but the concept is here, and I hope this gives you some sort of peace of mind to get this done if you're planning to upgrade your tires. I saw a lot of YouTube videos saying if you have to get this done or not, but in my personal experience, a 3-inch lift and 33s on a 17-inch wheel, there's no avoiding rubbing without getting a body chop done. And also, if you plan on getting 35s on a 3-inch lift, there's a whole lot more cutting involved, so yeah. Bonus mod! Cody also provided a solution for a potentially long-term issue with the AC condensation drain landing directly on the frame. He simply attached a tube to the drain pipe and redirected it. Genius! Thanks, Cody. You the man! It's a complete night and day difference, and I cannot be more happy with the results. There is a slight rub when I fully extended driver's side. However, with how much more Cody cut from mine than his, we're thinking it might have something to do with the control arm and how it's positioned. Either way, it completely bothers him being the perfectionist that he is, and he plans on figuring it out. I am more than happy with the results and super grateful for Cody's helping hand. This was long overdue, and I strongly recommend you add this to your must-dos on your upgrade list. My name is John Moses. This is Road to Manhood. Like and subscribe to be a part of the Road to Manhood community where we take each other's ideas, live, learn, and grow together. Peace.